morning. But for your wife, up to 11 also you can't wait. Learn my brothers and sisters. Learn the true sunnah of the Prophet. The Prophet ﷺ taught us that if you don't have anything constructive to do after Salat al-Isha, go to bed. Why? Wife is waiting for you. The problem with us, we'll go to bed but still be on WhatsApp until 2 in the morning, right? Subhanallah, the wife tosses and turns this way and that way. And you're not getting the message, subhanallah. She's trying to touch you and you say, hey, wait. But where is the Islam in you? Your Islam should make you think, why am I taught to come to bed here? For what? I'm supposed to go to bed because I have a spouse. Why did you get married if you don't want to spend the nights with your wife? For what? Sit with her, talk to her, play with her, be intimate with her, fulfill her rights, satisfy her, go to bed, get up for Salatul Fajr or Tahajjud, and don't be ashamed to have a shower. Even if the whole house knows what happened at night, so what, it was halal. Dress up, you go home, take pride in your hair, take pride in your clothing, what you look like, what you smell like. You come home, they should look at you and feel attracted. Come on. The Prophet ﷺ used to dress up for who? For his family. The Prophet ﷺ, at times he had his spouse comb his hair and so on. He played with their hair as well. So much of this romance and intimacy that is described for us, it's actually sad how far we've become. The only sunnah that the men actually talk about, or a lot of them talk about, is second wife. It's a sunnah. Wow. Second is a sunnah.